Hello and namaskar dear students. Welcome to English class. This is Nishita ma'am and today we are going to do our last chapter of term 1, that is unit 6, Jungle Tale. And by the end of this chapter you will instill a feeling of respect for others and appreciating others. And in this unit we will also be learning phonic digraph oi sound words. In grammar we are going to learn comparing words. In reading we will be learning why monkey have red bottoms. Vocabulary we are going to learn describing animals. And in writing we will be learning notice writing. Poetry we will be learning Little Green Fishy. So are you all ready? So let's begin. Chapter number 6, Jungle Tale. Humor. What is the meaning of humor? The meaning of humor is a quality of being amusing or comic. और हिंदी में हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? हास्य. Alright. So let's see. There are many interesting tales of jungle and animals that you get to hear from your parents and grandparents. Do you know any tale which is set in a jungle? Can you name the characters? There are so many jungle tales like Mowgli. Mowgli की मूवी तो आप सबने देखी है. It is also a jungle tale. Now in this chapter we will be learning why monkeys have red bottom. So first let's begin with the poem given here in getting started activity. Recite the following poem according to the given pattern. Join the dots to complete the picture and color it. And the poem name is Whiskey Frisky. So let's begin the poem reading. Whiskey Frisky hippity hop, up he goes to the treetop. Whirly twirly round and round, down he scampers to the ground. Furly curly what a tail, tall as a feather, broad as a sail. Where's the supper? In the shell. Snappity crackty out it fell. Let's read it again. Whiskey Frisky hippity hop, up he goes to the treetop. Whirly twirly round and round, down he scampers to the ground. Furly curly what a tail, tall as a feather, broad as a sail. Where's the supper? In the shell. Snappity crackty out it fell. Now dear kids, can you guess कि ये poem किसके बारे में है? Whose picture it is? Squirrel. So let's join the dots to complete the picture of squirrel. So joining work done. Now let's color it. Color the apple with red color and then color the inner side with skin color. Like this. And be careful, color बाहर नहीं निकलना चाहिए. Now take brown color. Which color it is? Brown. And then color the squirrel with brown color. Just like this. Carefully and slowly. Now our coloring portion is also completed. Now let's start listening activity of page number 69. Take out your pencil and let's get started with our listening activity. So are you all ready for the listening activity? So let's begin. It is the annual jungle meet. Listen to the animal introduction. Write where each animal lives. And the first introduction is, listen to me carefully and then guess what I am trying to tell you and then fill the dash. Alright. So I am starting it. Okay, I am beginning it and listen to me carefully. Hey, I am little bunny. I live in a hole in a tree. Hey, I am little bunny. I live in a hole in a tree. So where I will write hole? Here. Very good. As it is a little bunny and it lives in a hole. Now listen to my second line. I am creepy birdie. I live in a nest. I am creepy birdie and I live in a nest. Yes, I will write nest here, N-E-S-T, nest, as it is a creepy birdie. Now, we are busy bees. We are busy bees. Buzz buzz will live in hive. Buzz buzz will live in hive. So we will write H-I-V-E, hive here. Then I am lion, the king. I live in den. I live in den, and it's a picture of lion. Very good. Now the last is I am giant tortoise. I don't need a home. I live in my shell. Where is tortoise? Here. And what he is saying? I don't need a home. I live in my shell. So we will write S-H-E-L-L, shell here. So this is how we had completed our listening activity. Now come to phonic digraph. O, Y and O-I sound words. Do you know what O-I and O-Y sound are known as? They are known as diphthongs. Yes, and they are digraphs of phonic sound O-I and O-Y. Digraph means combination of two letters representing one sound, and it's OI. Okay, so let's read the words and notice the sound of the highlighted letters. K-O-N, coin. Repeat with me. K-O-N, coin. J-O-N, join. Oil. Boil. Point. Joint. Soil. Toy. Joy. Oyster. The letter O-I and O-Y make the same sound in these words. That's why they are known as diphthongs. Now let us write few more words in our notebook. So take out your notebook and give heading chapter number 6, Jungle Tale. Why monkey have red bottoms? And then give subheading phonic fun or sound words. And now let's start writing the first word, that is toy. T-O-Y, toy, toy. Second is coin. C-O-I-N, K-O-N, coin. Come to third one. Third is J-O-Y, joy. Fourth is T-R-O-Y, Troy. Fifth word is noise. N-O-I-S-E, noise. Sixth word is voice. V-O-I-C-E, 1 to 6 done. Let's write the next one. Joint, joint. Eighth word, boil, boil. Ninth word, soy, soy. Tenth word, roy, roy. So these are 1 to 10 words. Let us repeat it one more time. Toy, T-O-Y, toy. Coin, C-O-I-N, coin. J-O-Y, joy. T-R-O-Y, Troy. Noise, N-O-I-S-E, noise. V-O-I-C-E, voice. J-O-I-N-T, joint. B-O-I-L, boil. S-O-Y, soy. R-O-Y, roy. Now let's write 11 to 20 words. It means more 10 words. And they are, 11th word is L-O-I-N, L-O-N, loin. 12th word is boy, B-O-Y, boy, boy. 13th word is poison, P-O-I-S-O-N, poison, poison. 14th word is point, P-O-I-N-T, point, point. 15th word is hoist, H-O-I-S-T, hoist, hoist. 16th word is voice, V-O-I-C-E, voice. Come to 17th word. Voice is repeated here, so if you want to write it down it only one time, you can write it down it only one time. Write voice only one time as it is repeating here and here. Now come to 17th word and make it 16th. Now come to next one. R-O-Y-A-L, royal. Then the next one is destroy, D-E-S-T-R-O-Y, destroy. 18th is avoid, A-V-O-I-D, avoid. And 19th word, last one is enjoy, E-N-J-O-Y, enjoy. I hope that all of you have written all the words in your notebook. So the first word is toy, T-O-Y, toy. Second word is coin. Third word is joy. Fourth word is Troy. Fifth word is noise. Sixth word is voice. Seventh word is joint. 8th word is boil. 9th word is soy. 10th word is Roy. 11th is loin. Then boy, poison, point, hoist, voice, royal, destroy, avoid, and the last one is enjoy. Dear kids, please turn the page and come to page number 7070 and take out two colors of your favorite. कोई भी दो कलर निकालो. I had taken here pink and blue. बट याद रखना आपको OI साउंड को एक कलर से करना है और OY साउंड को एक कलर से करना है. ऑलराइट, जैसा कि मैंने यहाँ पे किया है. Highlight the OI and OY sound words in the sentences with two different colors. So the first one is Lisa scored 5,000 points in the video game. Highlight points with pink color. Now come to B1. We enjoyed ourselves at the picnic. Color it with blue color. Enjoyed. Then come to third one. Gary wants to join a good art class. Circle, highlight, join. Now come to the next one. My dog Lion found his lost toy in the lawn. Highlight toy. I hope that all of you have completed question number 1. Highlight OI and OY sound words in the sentences with two different colors. Now come to question number 2. Complete the words with OI and OY. We need to complete this balloon words with OI and OY sound words. So the first one here is loyal. Write it down. LOYAL. Loyal. Then write CHOICE. Choice. Then enjoy. 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 These three words are done. Now come to the next one. Soil. 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 POINT. Point. JOY. Joy. COIL. Coil. Then come to the next one. NOISE. Noise. COIN. Coin. MOIST. Moist. So done. Let's repeat it one more time. NOISE. Noise. COIN. Coin. MOIST. Moist. SOIL. Soil. POINT. Point. JOY. Joy. COIL. Coil. LOYAL. Loyal. CHOICE. Choice. ENJOY. Enjoy. So that's all for today. Today we had learned poem of Squirrel, Frisky Frisky, and then we had seen listening activity and we had done listening activity, And then after we had seen digraphs, oi, oi and oy sound phonic words. And then we had done activities of it. So we had lot of fun today. Tomorrow also we'll be having lot of fun with language ladder comparing words. Along with it we will be doing pre-reading and reading work. So all of you, bye, take care, thank you, keep studying and be happy.